Hi everyone! Today I am going to teach you how to make baked garlic chicken. It's super easy to prep and cook. Follow my recipe and you'll be sure to get your taste buds watering in no time at all. I've also included the links in the description below on where to buy the ingredients. Step 1. First, oil your pan to prevent your chicken from sticking during the baking process. Any type of oil will do. If you want to go for the healthier oil, olive oil is a good choice. Next, open up your package. I like using drumsticks and thighs just because I love dark meat more than white, but you can buy whatever type of chicken you want. Make sure to place the pieces evenly on your pan. Since I got the family size quantity, I had to use a second pan to cook the rest. Next, I used the Weber Kickin' chicken seasoning, coarse ground black pepper, and minced garlic as marination to flavor the meat. Make sure to flip and season all sides so that every part of the chicken is flavored evenly. Be generous with the garlic. By the way, it's good for you too. I used minced garlic already pre-cut in a jar to save time. However, if you prefer cutting up your garlic from scratch, feel free to do that too. Once you have done so, set your oven to preheat at 450 degrees and place your chicken inside once it's reached that temperature. Set the timer for 25 minutes and wait. Then after that, flip each piece over and set the timer again for another 15 minutes. After it's done, turn off the oven and keep the chicken in there for 5 minutes for optimal flavor. And that's it. I hope you enjoy this simple recipe and let me know what you think. If you like more of these videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching!